Spanish flag advantages, ship owner. As we see this magazine, you can read here it states that they are going to make the 500,000 new Spanish. They are going to put them. This is the magazine Mar. This is March. Yeah, here. Anyway, here. March 26. This is the Social Security Spanish Social Security magazine. And then says Spain needs fish workers and then seafarers, and then says here, perhaps you cannot read here, that they are going to make the contracts of those Spanish fishermen, Spanish fishermen. Those fishermen, I read it literally, that have since 31st December 25, at least 5 months before residency within Spain, they can apply to have a regular contract. So then España necesita pescadores. That means that the number we have here, it is like Spain has 4,228 affiliated foreign, non-European, and out of which 2,771 are the fishing side. So we have 4,000 4,200 working within Spain, and the Social Security for foreigners, and but under Spanish flag, out of which 2,700 are from fishing fleet. Yeah, this is the paragraph here. You can read that paragraph there. I will try to see if I can enclose this, but anyway, I think you can read it fast enough, because today is a very busy day. We have Easter holidays now, and so it's a huge expansion in Candina. Now, these numbers really say that should we get, now, let's see, if you have a 25 container feeder fleet around Spain and you're thinking about the Spanish flag. Now, with this 4,000, how many was it? 4,228, let's say, ratings, which is foreigners, plus another 4,000 officers, that's 8,000. Then 8,000 Spanish-speaking crew. Okay, por favor, you must understand that if you want to have a Spanish flag, then you have to have Spanish language. But if the top officers, for example, for the technical management and so on, because the headquarters of your superintendents is in Germany or so on. But anyway, many Germans and many Dutch and Belgians and French, they speak Espanol, see, of course. So then, if we have like 8,000, and we have then, for example, let's say a container ship, 25 on board, 25 home, that's 50. So 8,000 divided by 50, that means we could now really have 160 ships. Yeah, okay, this is a very optimistic version. But what if you only have a fleet of about 20 and you are the first one making this move? Think about it. It's very interesting, isn't it, today, 2026, because the socialist government is going to put these workers under the Spanish flag, and then we can take also from the fishing towards the merchant, but also there are in the merchant in this article on the Social Security. This is March 26. So I hope that really turns a decision within the company, because a lot of ship owners are thinking about ASEAN and many other countries, and why not invest local? Sí, gracias, adiós.